New furniture has just arrived. We've been waiting quite a few weeks for this. This is pretty much the final stage. Kitchen is ready to go. The final clean is being done at the moment. We're going to be starting to prep food in the next 2 days. Wiping down the floors, putting chairs in place. Time to open the restaurant. Been waiting for 4 months now.
Yeah?
We'll do that tomorrow or day after.
Let's try this.
Nice?
The image is nice. Yeah.